Tell them I am coming to comfort you all, and I will personally wipe every tear from your eyes. It's important to remember that when you feel any resistance from family and friends, or at work, you are to recognize what is truly happening and ask yourself, why is this happening? My sons and daughters, I have put my words in your mouth, and now, my son, my beloved, tell them time is short. Do not wait. I am working, and my Father and your Father is working in this last hour. To my sons and daughters who don't know me, it is by no coincidence you came across this video and channel. For I did this because you have been calling out from your heart. Your torment has made you call out, asking if there truly is a God. And the evil of this earth has caused you to ask the eternal question, is this all that life has to offer? And what is my purpose? Well, I, the Lord, have heard the call from your spirit. It groans and it weeps for answers. I tell you, my children, if you will listen, I am the God of your forefathers. I am the God of all creation, of the heavens and of the earth, and there is no other God like me. All your gods of wood and stone are false. They are all of Satan, the one who is tormenting you, feeding you lies, and causing you to sin and defile yourselves. I am the God of Abraham, Isaac, and Jacob, the God of Adam and Eve, the God of Noah, the God of David, and the God of David and Goliath. And I am he who created you in your mother's womb. I alone breathed life into your nostrils. I formed you in this time and put in you my spirit. The spirit I put in you longs for me. It is like a magnet, and when I come close to you, it is drawn like an invisible force. The enemy says, more mana, then you'll be happy. More sexual partners will satisfy you, and using the right drugs will calm your mind. Then you'll be free. Lies, all lies. Never the truth does he speak, for he was a liar from the beginning, and a liar he still is. Only I can truly set you free, for I am gentle and lowly in heart. I am the one who has had compassion on you when you were in troubled times. Satan wanted to destroy you, but I wouldn't allow it, for I love you like no other. I have plans for you to prosper and not fall. I never wanted anxiety and fear to grip you, but I gave you free will, and I will honor that. My child, I love you with a passion that you cannot understand right now. Who offered their life in place of yours so you wouldn't have to face eternal judgment. I did that for you. I died willingly through an act of suffering as a perfect, sinless sacrifice, so you, full of sin, could be saved. Come up to me, and I will run to you. Cry out, and I will comfort you. Knock on my door, and I will answer. This is my promise to you, and I am a promise keeper. I am the light in the darkness. There is no sin too great that I won't forgive, even when the devil says you're hopeless, not worthy, and too far gone. I say you are loved, you are worthy, and you are everything to me. You are worth it to me. I can't force you to come to me and love me with your own free will. If you will repent of your sin, ask me for forgiveness, and believe that I died for you and defeated sin, then I will restore you, and I will be your father, and you will be my child. For I alone have redeemed you, and no one can take you from me. All those that my Father has given me will in no way be snatched away. I watch you day and night. I feel your joy and your sorrow. I laugh with you and cry with you. I have picked you up and held you tight so many times. Try me. What do you have to lose? I tell you the truth. beloved, you have everything to gain. I will give you a purpose that you were made for, a perfect soul for my mission. My child, the meek shall inherit the earth, not the proud. So come to me quickly, my child. Don't wait. This age is coming to an end. Time on this earth is short. I await your decision.